Good morning everyone, so we're in a new city here in Malaysia. We are in Georgetown, another place I visited in 2019, but I'm super excited to be back. And this morning we have got a full day exploring Georgetown, but before that we're heading for some breakfast. We're thinking sort of avocado toast vibe, so we're going to go to the restaurant we went to yesterday. So yeah, let's get on with the day. So today we are following a free walking tour in my mum's Lonely Planet Georgetown travel guide, and I've just read and it said that in 2008 Georgetown became a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its cultural and architectural gems, so I'm very much looking forward to exploring this morning. I did explore various parts of this when I was here in 2019, but there are many more places today that we're going to go to that I haven't been to before, so yeah, very excited to show you all around. I will leave a link in the description to like a free walking tour if you're ever interested in coming to Georgetown and you'd like to follow a similar tour. So this building behind me is the City Hall, and then we're just about to walk over to the Town Hall. So we're very much in like the central point here in Georgetown. Yeah, my mum, I'm just trusting my mum, I'm following my mum. I don't really know exactly where we're going, but yeah, I'm excited to explore. It's very hot today. As a family, we've all jointly agreed that we think this is probably the hottest day we've had on our travels so far, apart from when we were in the UAE, because in the UAE it was like 40 degrees plus, whereas here I'd say it's like mid-30s. But yeah, so far so good. Yeah, enjoying the free walking tour. I always do free walking tours. I've said this in so many vlogs. The free activities, you've always got to look up if you're on a budget or you just would like to do a free activity and not spend as much money one day. The free walking tours are like the best thing to do, and you can do it in a group or you can do it by yourself, like a self-guided walking tour as well. Georgetown is the capital city of the Malaysian state of Penang, as well as being Malaysia's 6th most populated city. It was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 2008 and attracts tourists from all around the world. We spent the morning exploring the city, and it was even more special to be there with my family. After a quick stop to try some delicious fruit, we continued to walk around the city and visited the Pinang Peranakan mansion. It's a museum dedicated to Penang's Peranakan heritage. The museum itself is within a mansion, which once served as a residence and office of a 19th century businessman, Cheong. As a result of its unique architecture and interior design, the mansion has been featured in several television series and reality TV shows such as The Amazing Race and Little Nyona. After about an hour exploring the mansion, we continued walking around the streets of Georgetown. What I loved most about the city was how welcoming everyone was. From the hotel staff to the tour guides, everyone had a big smile on their face, and you could tell how happy they were to live in such a beautiful city. Georgetown is also well known for its street art, and it was very unique to say the least. The street art forms the identity of the city, with its murals being some of the most photographed spots in the city. It's likely that you'll find some street art on every street you walk down, but the most famous murals were created by Ernest Zakharashim, who is a Lithuanian artist. We then visited the Cheong Fatt mansion, which is a government-owned heritage building. It is often referred to as the Blue Mansion and was built by the merchant Cheong Fatt at the end of the 19th century. The mansion has 38 rooms, 5 granite-paved courtyards, 7 staircases, 220 louvre windows, and is typical of the Chinese architectural styles of the imperial period. After a busy day exploring, my mum and I went for a late lunch at the same restaurant we went to for breakfast before heading back to our hotel. What a fantastic day we had in Georgetown, and I'd highly recommend visiting if you're in Malaysia.